Welcome to LexAI, a high-performance legal consultant chatbot built with Python Flask and powered by LLaMA 3.1. This system leverages advanced RAG technology to provide precise, grounded answers to complex legal inquiries. Seamless user interface and thematic customization. The application features a clean, professional user interface, including full support for light and dark modes to suit any user's preference. It is designed for maximum accessibility and a seamless conversational flow. Context-aware inquiries. When presented with specific queries, such as the principles of international human rights or the role of the General Assembly, LexAI performs a lightning-fast semantic search across a massive database of over 600 pages of legal documentation. Grounded and cited responses. Unlike general-purpose models, LexAI's responses are strictly grounded in its official knowledge base. It provides accurate, multi-point summaries, ensuring that every piece of advice is supported by verified legal instruments. Secure Admin Control Center. A secure, password-protected admin dashboard allows for real-time monitoring and management. Here, administrators can track total queries, analyze top questions, and easily update the knowledge base with new PDF documents, which are instantly indexed for the bot's use. Scalable insight and conclusion. With its ability to summarize chat logs, track interaction trends, and handle vast amounts of data with zero hallucination, LexAI is more than a chatbot. It's a robust tool for legal professionals and institutions. Thank you for exploring LexAI.